Hello, today we'll be going over how to make a basic bechamel sauce. For this you'll be needing 2 ounces of bread flour, 2 ounces of clarified butter, 4 cups of milk, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. You'll begin by heating the clarified butter in a heavy sauce pot over a low heat. Add the flour and stir to make a white roux. Cook the roux for 2 to 3 minutes, just long enough to cook out the raw taste. When the roux is ready, remove the sauce pot from the heat, continue to stir, and allow it to cool for 1 to 3 minutes. Gradually add the milk to the roux, stirring constantly. You can do this in thirds if you would like, just do not add all the milk at one time. For this I generally add some of the milk, then allow the temperature of the sauce to increase, then continuously add more and more milk, gradually, slowly letting the temperature come up while it's on the burner. Stirring continuously, heat sauce over a low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. During that time, you can add your seasoning. When done, remove from heat. You will know when your sauce is done when it is thick enough to coat the back of the spoon. When your sauce is done, you can pour it through a strainer to remove any lumps and help your sauce stay smooth. Cover or spread melted butter on the surface to prevent skin formation. And that's it. That's everything. That's how you make a basic bechamel sauce. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and have a nice day.